Welcome to HotelPro SOP, Mastering Hospitality Excellence. In this training, we'll guide you step by step through the front desk guest check-in process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to greet guests professionally, verify reservations, handle ID checks, assign rooms, issue key cards, and create a warm first impression. Step 1. Greeting the guest. Always greet guests with a warm smile, eye contact, and a polite phrase like "Good afternoon, welcome to King Star Hotel. How may I assist you today?" Step 2. Confirming reservation. Ask for the guest's name and confirm their reservation details, including room type, dates, and special requests. Step 3. ID and payment. Request a valid ID and payment method. Check all details carefully to ensure guest security and hotel policy compliance. Step 4. Room assignment. Assign a clean, ready room. Prepare key cards and welcome documents like Wi-Fi info or breakfast times. Step 5. Delivering the welcome. Hand over the key card politely. Provide clear directions to the room and highlight any special amenities or services. Let's role-play, front desk agent and guest.
Good afternoon. Welcome to King Star Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under Mr. Saka.
Wonderful, Mr. Saka. May I please see your ID and the credit card you used for the booking?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me confirm your reservation. You're staying for 3 nights in a deluxe king room, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. May I place a pre-authorization on your card for incidentals?
Yes, that's fine.
All set, Mr. Saka. Here's your room key card. Room 1205 on the 12th floor. The elevators are just to your right. Breakfast is served on the ground floor from 6:30 to 10 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure. Enjoy your stay at King Star Hotel, Mr. Saka.
A smooth check-in creates the first impression that guests remember. Practice these steps to ensure every guest feels valued and welcome. Subscribe to HotelPro SOP for more practical hospitality training. See you in the next lesson, mastering hospitality excellence together. Good luck.